Modifying your car can be an exciting way to personalize your ride, boost performance, or enhance its appearance. However, many enthusiasts dive in without proper planning, leading to costly mistakes, poor performance, or even legal trouble. Before you start upgrading, it's crucial to understand the most common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Number 1 is skipping research. One of the biggest mistakes car owners make is jumping into modifications without doing enough research. Not all aftermarket parts work well with every vehicle, and some upgrades may even harm your car if improperly installed. Before buying anything, check forums, watch tutorials, and consult experienced mechanics or tuners. Number 2 is choosing cheap, low-quality parts. It's tempting to save money with budget-friendly parts, but cheap modifications often lead to bigger expenses down the road. Low-quality intakes, exhausts, or suspension components may fail prematurely, cause poor fitment, or even damage your engine. A $50 eBay cold air intake might seem like a great deal, but if it doesn't filter air properly or disrupts airflow sensors, it could reduce performance or trigger check engine lights. Investing in reputable brands ensures better durability, fitment, and performance gains. If you like this advice, subscribe to my channel. Number 3 is ignoring proper tuning. Many enthusiasts bolt on performance parts without considering engine tuning. Upgrades like turbochargers, superchargers, or even simple intake and exhaust modifications can alter air-fuel ratios and engine timing. Without a proper tune, your car may run too lean or too rich. In extreme cases, incorrect fueling can lead to catastrophic engine failure. Always get a professional tune after major modifications to optimize performance and reliability. Number 4 is overlooking legal and safety regulation. All modifications are street legal, and some can get you fined or fail inspections. Loud exhausts, excessively dark window tints, or removing catalytic converters may violate local emissions and noise laws. Additionally, extreme suspension drops or aggressive wheel setups can affect handling and safety. Before making any changes, check your local regulations to avoid legal trouble. Number 5 is prioritizing looks over functionality. While aesthetic upgrades like body kits, neon lights, or massive wings can make your car stand out, they shouldn't compromise functionality. A huge rear wing on a front-wheel drive car won't improve downforce, it'll just add drag. Likewise, excessively stiff coilovers might look cool, but can ruin ride quality and daily drivability. Number 6 is trying modification at home. Some modifications, like basic bolt-ons, can be done at home with the right tools. However, complex jobs such as engine swaps, wiring modifications, or forced induction installs should be left to professionals unless you have extensive experience. A small mistake in wiring or engine assembly can lead to expensive repairs.